This is a case study on how to obtain the WISE observations of Neptune. There's been increasing interest in Neptune and Uranus as analogs of exoplanets. Because WISE observes the solar system, it of course observes Neptune and Uranus. This example goes through how to obtain WISE observations of Neptune. You can use either the WISE image service or the catalog search, or both. Each one has different strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with the WISE image service. You go to WISE and click on WISE image service. By default, you're dropped into a position search, but we want a solar system object orbit search. Then we need to type in Neptune. Then we need to pick Neptune from the list. We want to search all of the available data, so we're going to pick everything. Remember from the overview video that each one of these are different deliveries with different products, and this is going to matter for the solar system observations. We want these deliveries because they have individual exposures and photometry from the individual exposures. From this search page, it's only giving us a choice of deliveries that have the individual exposures. We definitely want to search the catalog at the same time. Search. Okay, it took a while, but it's come back. This tab is a list of the orbital path that it calculated for the time baseline that we asked for. If we go to the coverage tab, then it's got those orbital path positions plotted out, and then it's got the frames that it found overlaid on the orbital path there. Neptune does not move very fast. Let's go back to the view of the data and the list of observations here. All of the individual exposures are here, and they're shown here. Remember that WISE works in image sets, so these 4 images here are 4 different bands from this image set. The one that's darker yellow is the one that's selected here, and the other 3 are the ones that are outlined in dashed lines. These frames almost certainly come from the All Sky data, and the All Sky catalog is the one that's here. So these are the red points that are overlaid on the images here. Turns out that it didn't find any data from the All Sky 3 band, or for that matter, the All Sky 2 band. It did find data from NeoWise. It actually found quite a bit of data from NeoWise. In order to find those image sets, we'll go back here and we'll look down in the list. That's a NeoWise observation because there's only 2 images in the image set, and indeed the green catalog is overlaid there. Now, these catalogs come from different deliveries, so in truth, in order to actually get a complete light curve, you'll have to extract those data and combine them yourself. But let's see if we can look at a chart of the NeoWise light curve. The default chart for all of these tools is right ascension and declination because that is an easy default, and it's likely to be in most catalogs, and those are numbers. So it's easy to have that be the default. Let's go to the gears. Instead of RA, do MJD, and instead of DEC, do W1M Pro. And then because we want bright objects at the top, reverse the y-axis, apply, close. There's a light curve for Neptune, at least potentially. This is the simple search that it's done, given the orbital path that it calculated. If we go look at the individual data frames, you can see the data that it's pulled out. And then you get to decide if you believe the detections that it's claiming in these images. There's another way to do this search, of course. If we go back here and go to catalogs, WISE, NeoWise, let's go to the NeoWise R known solar system object possible association list. Go here, do an all sky search, go down, and then do obj ID like Neptune. And then run query. So this time it comes back with the objects that the pipeline thought were all Neptune. So let's go change X to MJD. And for the declination, W1M Pro. And then again, reverse the y-axis, apply, close. There's the light curve that is pulled out of the known solar system object possible association list. And it looks a lot like the light curve we got before. In order to save either this table or the table we had before, click on the diskette icon, and then you can save it in any of a variety of formats.